Okay, I got home from Montreal and I thought, I so enjoyed using my new away luggage. I also received a bigger luggage from them because when I got back from Greece last summer, it honestly looks like my bag had fallen from the sky, and it is beyond repair. So that actually got me thinking, what happens to luggage that has to be discarded? I was researching it and I haven't been able to find any specific either companies or recyclers that will take used luggage and try and repurpose it. When Away reached out, they have a limited lifetime warranty. You know, a lifetime warranty that's long. That's a pretty solid commitment. At least from my understanding, that this is a company that really wants you to have your luggage for a very, very long time. So that really made sense to me. I'm really excited about this because it means hopefully less luggage waste. Anyway, I got home and I realized that the next 2 weeks are probably going to be quite busy. So I thought, all of my stuff's out anyway. I'm gonna see how everything fits in this larger luggage and get all of my outfits and packing ready and planned for when I leave after Christmas. So we're going to be gone for about a week, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to put some winter travel looks together. So I thought I would start with the base of what I used in my previous packing video, which was just for a short weekend trip. And this time I'm actually going to try all the outfit combinations on so that you can see kind of how much you can actually get from just a few pieces of travel clothing. So if you didn't watch the last video, I'll link it in the iCards up top and down below, but the main basic pieces that I brought for a 3-day, 2-night winter getaway was a lightweight knit, which was a turtleneck, a medium weight knit, which is a really nice button down, and then a heavyweight knit sweater, which is just a nice big oversized crew. Everything is in neutral colors because that means I don't really have to think about mixing and matching, and I'm gonna keep that going for the next one. So what I'm gonna add is a pair of really thin leggings. I'm adding these because this is a pretty casual vacation, but leggings will come in handy if it gets really cold and I also have to layer them underneath my jeans. I'm gonna add one more heavyweight sweater because I'm always cold. If you run hot, I would add one more medium weight. Because it's the Christmas holidays and my in-laws are doing the ugly Christmas sweater thing. I don't know if you saw, but I thrifted my ugly Christmas sweater, quote unquote, and it's not ugly. In fact, it's very beautiful. But the other thing that I would add in case there is an occasion, because it's the holidays and if you're traveling, it's nice to kind of have a piece that kind of pulls you together and leaves you feeling a little bit more, you know, zhuzhed up. And that is a blazer. I'm gonna put the blazer on the very top, lying flat all the way across. And I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna pack enough to kind of warrant the whole do I roll, do I fold debate, but tell me what you are. Do you roll your clothes or do you fold them when you pack? I'm so curious. And this is all I'm going to bring. I feel really comfortable with all of these options. I have this giant hole here that is empty. I'm gonna move a couple things around. Oh, and I don't know, I don't think I showed you this in the last video, but every away bag comes with a little detachable laundry bag. Look at this! It folds out so nice and big. I'm gonna use this space for, since I have it, and this is more for those of you who would be maybe traveling to Europe and you don't wanna have to bring a big, bulky, heavy parka, I would add a foldable puffer coat that you would layer underneath your wool coat. Unless you're going somewhere very cold, like Canada, then I would say just bring a parka, because otherwise you're just gonna be freezing. But if you're going somewhere that is a little bit more urban, you're not gonna be kind of trudging through the snow, you're gonna be exploring, you'll be able to hop in and out of cafes and an Uber or public transit, then the puffer under the wool coat is the best option. And you know, the other thing when you travel that I think can really pull a look together is a little scarf. So that's that whole side of things. Look how flat it packs down. There's also plenty of room here for socks and underwear. I'm not gonna pack those. I think when it comes to socks and underwear, I don't know. I normally bring enough for the amount of days that I'm gone, or if I know I'm going somewhere with laundry, or if I remember to bring my little bottle of mini travel bottle of Eucalyptus, I just hand wash. I only bring about half as many underwear as I need and hand wash and hang dry. I have 2 belts, and I got a great tip from one of you, which I think is so smart. Put your belt inside, when you're packing your belts, put them inside a pair of shoes. That way it takes up less space. So smart. I'm gonna bring my 1 purse. When I travel, I do keep any delicate bags in their duster if I can, just to make sure they don't get scratched if I'm packing shoes or anything like that. Footwear. 1 pair of just nice going out winter style boots. I'll add toiletries and makeup. This is plenty of room. I think that's it. So there we go. My luggage is packed. Now I'm gonna try on all the different outfit combinations that I can create with what's in here. For the evening, but I thought that I came up with some good outfits out of not a lot of clothing for travel. Obviously, I would be adding a coat onto each of those looks, but I figured that'll be kind of up to your discretion and where you are and how you're traveling. So I'm gonna leave this Vlogmas here. I really appreciate you watching. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!